Ready to turn your Aisensy app into a payment powerhouse? First, let's dive into the Aisensy app from your dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section. This is where all the magic happens. Inside Settings, you'll find an option labeled Payment Gateway. Click on this to open up the Payment Configuration panel. Now you'll see a list of available payment gateways that you can integrate with Aisensy. Popular options include Razorpay, Stripe, and PayPal. Choose the one that best suits your business needs. Once you've chosen your preferred gateway, you will need to enter the required API keys and credentials. These keys connect your Aisensy account to your payment gateway account. Make sure you have these keys readily available from your gateway provider. After entering your API keys, look for a toggle or button to enable the payment gateway. Switch this on to activate the integration. It is always a good idea to perform a test transaction to confirm that the payment gateway is working correctly. Send a test payment request to yourself through the Aisensy app and verify if the payment is successful. And that's it. Your Aisensy app is now ready to accept payments, streamline your transactions, and provide a seamless payment experience for your customers, all within the messaging platform.